The Delhi High Court on June 18th questioned the centre's decision to temporarily restrict Telegram ahead of the June 21st NEET-UG 2026 re-examination, asking how the rights of around 150 million users could be curtailed due to concerns involving a small group of users linked to the exam. Justice Tejas Karia made the observation while hearing Telegram's plea against the restriction, after which he reserved the verdict. The centre defended the move, arguing that Telegram could be misused by miscreants during the exam period. Senior advocate Dhruv Mehta appeared for Telegram, while Attorney General R. Venkataramani and Solicitor General Tushar Mehta represented the government. The Solicitor General told the court that Telegram allows a single account to create up to 40 bots, unlike WhatsApp, where one user is linked to one bot. He argued that this structure enables large-scale automation and network creation, allowing bulk dissemination of information with minimal human oversight. He also said that the platform's cloud-based system makes it difficult for law enforcement agencies to trace users even if access is blocked. After hearing arguments from both sides, the Delhi High Court reserved its judgment. So viewers, do you think restricting an app for exam security is justified or unfair to users? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.